I'm going to tell you 2 reasons why your monotubs have stopped producing mushrooms. One is there's probably not enough nutrients in the bulk substrate for more mushrooms to grow. And 2, you probably have some kind of contaminant. Contamination at this stage in the game is pretty common, and that's what happened to me. Well, both of them actually. So in this tub, about 2 weeks ago, I just simply stopped seeing mushrooms. No mushrooms were producing, so I was like pretty much sure that there were just no more nutrients for the mushrooms to grow. And today I wanted to go ahead and look at the bulk substrate to see what happened, and this is what I found. So if you see here, this side I have not broken up, and this side I have. And when I broke up this side, I found mold. I found a ton of mold actually. And it was this bluish gray mold. And if I go here, you can actually, if I like go this, you can see the mold at the bottom here. So it's not actually at the top, but it's at the bottom. And if I start to break this up like here, you can really start to see it. So this tub simply stopped producing mushrooms, and then after a few weeks, when there's no mushrooms to grow, the mold started. So we definitely want to get rid of this because contamination. Also, it's a little bit sticky almost, not too much, it's just kind of wet down there, so that's also an environment for the mold to grow. Another contamination that I got in this tub, so this tub actually was continuing to fruit. You can see a mushroom right here. I will not be using that mushroom, and I've picked a few that I've thrown away. But what ended up happening here is I got this chocolate mush mold. You can see that right here. And here is the mycelium that started. So it starts with this white mycelium, and then it turns into this black brownish mold. And as soon as you start to see that mold, again, contamination, and you want to throw away your tubs. I also went down deep here and noticed that the grain was really mushy on here and all the way through. I actually don't see any green mold in this particular bulk substrate like I do here. You can actually like see it in the layer. But because we have this chocolate mold here, definitely want to get rid of both of these tubs. So when you have contamination in your tub, you want to make sure to wash your tub with soap and water and then disinfect the tub afterwards. And just throw or get rid of everything in these tubs. Because once you have some kind of contamination, it's really, really hard to get it out, and it's just going to probably contaminate more things. So the best result is to restart fresh. I know it sucks sometimes. So those are some ways to know when your monotubs are finished. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put it below. Thanks for watching. Bye.